Well, I'm at the local sawmill, and I noticed NACA report 354 says that butternut is a good alternative, 100% match for Sitka spruce. Has anybody used butternut? I see one board in there that would have good enough grain pattern. And I guess he can show me some more. But this is how I get my aircraft lumber. Well, there's a pretty tight-grained butternut, and he's got a big stack of it, but that's a good board there. Well, this is why I come to the local sawmill. That beautiful, perfectly grained board is $16. The other wood I'm curious about is catalpa. Has anybody used that? That's 100% match to Sitka spruce, according to NACA report 354.